Hey everyone, it's Christiane from the Cooking RX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a plant-based custard in the Thermomix. Instead of milk and egg yolks, we'll be using plant-based milks like coconut milk and almond milk, and for our thickening agent, we'll be using cornstarch. The first thing I'm going to add is about a half a cup of coconut cream. And next, to make it a little bit thinner, I'm going to use some almond milk as well. So we have a half a cup of coconut cream and 1 cup of almond milk so far. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of turmeric just for that yellow color. Since we're not using egg yolks, we'll need a little bit just for coloring. I promise you won't taste it. And next, for flavor, we'll use a little bit of vanilla extract. So I use about 1/4 teaspoon. Next, we'll add in about 1/3 cup of sugar for our sweetener. Finally, we'll need our thickening agent, which is going to be about 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Alright, everything's in the Thermomix. We're ready to mix and heat it up. I'm going to be heating this up at 90 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. I'm going to turn it to speed 3. Alright, our custard has finished cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, it looks really creamy and delicious. You can use plant-based custard in pies, tarts, pastries, whatever dessert you'd like. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes and tutorials.